Oh, everyone. The new 7th generation Ford Mustang will offer customers the most powerful engines ever installed in this model. These are the 2.3-liter, 315 horsepower, and the 500 horsepower 5-liter V8. The supercharged version is called Dark Horse, but the gate variant will also be sold. It differs by the engine power of 480 horsepower. The Dark Horse wields upgraded internals, namely forged connecting rods, a unique, balanced crankshaft and strengthened camshafts. Also, the red cutoff on the instrument cluster here is at 7,500 Ri. Power ratings are the same for cars with automatic or manual transmission. Buyers of the 2.3-liter Ford Mustang will get a 4-cylinder engine that Ford says is all new. Even though displacement is the same, the mill has a new bore-to-stroke ratio, a new direct injection system, and a plethora of other changes for a bit more power while also targeting better fuel economy. The new Ford Mustang 2024 will arrive at dealers in the summer of 2023.